guys, and welcome back to the Content Edit channel. Do you ever feel like you've got a complete blank when it comes to creating blog posts? Well, today I'm going to share with you a few easy ways that you can actually plan your blog posts in advance so that you never have to sit and look at that empty screen again. When it comes to writing blog posts, it's a really good idea to plan in advance. This means that you know what's happening, you know what content you've got coming up, and it just helps you to keep on top of things, especially on those days or weeks or months where life can get a little bit in the way and things can get a little bit busy. One of the best ways is to actually look at what days do you write your content, what days do you want your blog posts to go out. Write these down or type them on your Evernote, whatever works for you when it comes to taking notes. So you write the days of the week down and then coordinate them with the corresponding dates over the next month. But then have a look at what type of content do you create. So do you have particular topics that you can segment? So is it like beauty, fashion, travel? Like at the Content Edit, we talk about blogging, business, social media, travel, lifestyle and video. So basically you can just go through and write down. So you might say, okay, first Monday it's going to be beauty, then travel, then fashion, then lifestyle, and then you might have it again, beauty, travel, fashion, lifestyle. Whatever works for you, whatever you're working towards. And then you can slot in, so next to your beauty, okay, what's coming up? What do I need? What do I want to share? What products am I talking about now? You can kind of then slot in your ideas of what you want to talk about that relates to the topics. This way you don't become too heavy on one topic and sort of leave one behind, particularly if that's your niche and that's what you want to become known for. It's a really simple way to just straight away you can see in front of you exactly what you're going to be writing about and when it needs to be ready for. To recap, a fantastic way to plan your blog post for I would start with the next month, but ultimately you might want to build it up to the next 3 months, so 12 weeks in advance, because this then gives you a lot of chance to really get on top of things. And that doesn't mean it has to be stuck, so say if a great event comes up that you're invited to and you want to blog about, or something happens in the news that you really want to talk about, you can always move things. Nothing ever has to be set in stone, because after all, it's your blog and you're in control. If you write down, decide on the days of the week that you want to blog, then marry these up to actual real-time dates that are coming up. Then go through all your different blog topics that you like to talk about, put them in the blog into the relevant dates. So as I said, if it's like Monday the 10th, and that's going to be just like beauty or whatever it is that you talk about. And then from there you can start to think of actual headlines for your blog post and actually start creating the blogs. This way you know exactly what's coming up, you know where you're at, it helps you keep organised, it also helps you to be consistent. When it comes to blogging, consistency is so important, and this is one of the things we teach on our signature course, Trigger Your Blog, and I'll put details to that below. It's a self-paced online course set up for people who are struggling with confidence and consistency and just standing out online. That's it for today. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. We'd love for you to subscribe to the channel, and until next time, keep shining online. Bye!